What's up, y'all? This is Keisha from Ask Keisha AI, and I'm coming to you with some urgent news. The TikTok ban is set to go into effect on January 19th. And if you're a creator, you need to act now to protect your content, your audience, and your income. This isn't a drill. TikTok's future in the US is hanging by a thread. And if you're relying on it for your digital career, it's time to pivot. I've got a step-by-step plan to help you navigate this transition and make sure you don't lose all the hard work you've put into your content. Stay with me, because this video is packed with actionable tips, and I've linked repurpose.io in the description to make your content backup process as smooth as possible. Let's get into it. TikTok's fate is uncertain, but your career doesn't have to be. If you haven't already, start building your presence on other platforms right now. Here are your top alternatives. Instagram Reels. It's TikTok's closest competitor and already has a strong short-form content audience. YouTube Shorts. Perfect for creators looking to monetize long-term. YouTube has a reliable partner program that supports creators. Other platforms. Explore Clapper, Fanbase, and even Pinterest for short-form video opportunities. Start cross-posting your TikToks on these platforms ASAP. Use this week to let your followers know where they can find you if TikTok disappears. Backing up your content, well, this is non-negotiable, y'all. Don't wait until the last minute. Start backing up your content today. Download all videos. Use repurpose.io to download your TikToks with captions and music intact. It's a lifesaver, and the link is in the description for you to get started. Save your follower list. Export your analytics and make note of your top followers. These are the people who are most likely to follow you to other platforms. Grab your performance data. Keep a record of your best performing videos so you can repurpose them later. This step ensures that even if TikTok disappears, your content and hard-earned audience don't go with it. Let's keep it real. If TikTok is your primary revenue stream, this ban could hit hard. Here's how to pivot. Monetize elsewhere. Both YouTube and Instagram offer monetization programs. Start building your presence there to generate income. Create your own platform. Launch a website or a newsletter where your audience can connect with you directly. Diversify your income. Look into brand partnerships on multiple platforms and explore passive income streams like digital products or memberships. The goal is to ensure your financial stability isn't tied to one platform. You're not alone in this. Millions of creators are in the same boat, and now's the time to collaborate with others. Join creator groups or forums to share tips and strategies. Stay updated. Follow legal developments and news about the ban. Knowledge is power, and staying informed will help you pivot quickly. This is stressful, and it's okay to feel anxious. Take a moment to breathe and remind yourself, you're not just a TikTok creator. You're a storyteller, an entertainer, an entrepreneur. Your skills will carry you through this transition. Keep creating, keep innovating, and don't let this setback define you. All right, y'all, here's the deal. Diversify your platforms today. Back up your content with repurpose.io. The link is in the description. Take control of your career and start building a future that doesn't depend on one app. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and share this with every TikTok creator you know. The clock is ticking, but you've got this. Stay smart, stay creative, and as always, secure the bag. Let's pivot and thrive in 2025.